Hi, my name is Cayla, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve systems of equations. And in our first problem, we have the equations y equals 3x plus 1 and x plus 2y equals negative 5. And since we already know what the value of y is, we can plug in 3x plus 1 into the second equation where it says y, and this is going to look like x plus 2 times 3x plus 1 equals negative 5. And we're going to distribute the 2 to the 3x and the 2 to the 1, and that is going to equal x plus 6x plus 2 equals negative 5. Now we're going to combine like terms, which is the 6x and the x, and that's going to make 7x plus 2 equals negative 5. Now we're going to isolate the variable, so we're going to subtract 2 from both sides, and that's going to leave us with 7x equals negative 7. Now we're going to isolate the variable by dividing by 7 on both sides, and that is going to leave us with x equals negative 1. Now that we have x, we can plug negative 1 into the equation like this. 3 times negative 1 plus 1, and that is going to equal negative 3 plus 1, which equals negative 2. Now that we have both values, we need to put them in ordered pair, which is going to look like negative 1, negative 2, and this is your final answer. And now we have another problem with the equations 2x plus 3y equals 9 and x minus 2y equals 1. Now, since the second equation already has x by itself, we can move the 2y to the other side so we can get the value of x. That is going to look like add 2y to both sides. That is going to equal x equals 2y plus 1. And now that we know the value of x, we can plug it into the equation. It's going to look like this. 2 times 2y plus 1 plus 3y equals 9. Now we're going to distribute the 2 to the 2y and distribute the 2 to the 1. And that is going to equal 4y plus 2 plus 3y equals 9. Now we're going to combine like terms, which is 4y and 3y, and that's going to equal 7y plus 2 equals 9. Now we want to isolate the y again, so we're going to subtract by 2 to both sides, and that's going to leave us with 7y equals 7. Now we're going to isolate again, and that's going to leave us with y equals 1. Now that we found y, we can plug it into the equation, which is going to be x equals 2x plus 1. And then once we plug it in, it will be x equals 2 times 1 plus 1. Then you multiply the 2 and the 1 to get 2, and bring down the 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And now that we have our two values, we have to put them in ordered pair again. And that is going to be 3, 1. And this is your final answer.